Okay, here we are. It's Kelsey's car. The front driver's side wheels off. Now the sound it makes. See if I can get a quiet time here when there's no cars going by. Sounds like that sound is coming from back here. And you can kind of hear sounds like a marble dropping. Right after I stop, you hear click, click after that. Listen. Ready? See, I thought it was the brakes, but the brake pads don't look like they're down to metal or anything. You can't really see it, but okay, listen. Click, click after that. Sound's not up here. It's back here.